I've helped my clients make millions of dollars with Performance Max campaigns, and I'm going to show you how to use search themes properly, or at least my opinion on how you should use them. So if you haven't seen where they are, all you need to do is go into a Performance Max campaign of your choice, and then go into the asset groups level, and you'll see it just here in the search themes. Now, if you're unfamiliar with this view, you'll see them in the summary view just like this. Right? And so once you go click on the signal here and edit it, I'll just explain what search themes are and how I kind of treat search themes. So what are search themes? Well, they're not the same as keywords. Google basically wants you to treat them as signals or soft signals because Google will ignore you, right? You can tell it what to do, but it's not going to do as it's told. And this just gives Google's AI kind of like a metric on where to go or what direction, but it's not going to really take all of your advice in that way. But it's still very, very useful to point the algorithm in the right direction. So it can influence your ads, but not restrict where your ads actually show. It will go outside of the parameters. And so what are good examples and bad examples of search themes? Well, good examples are high intent keywords. So anything that has a near me or buy next to it, or a location or a suburb, or anything that has buying intent, right? So if someone says plumber near me, the algorithm's going to see that, well, there's buying intent here, because someone just typing in plumber, they could be looking at, how to become a plumber. What's a plumber's salary? What are the best plumbers nearby, or whatever. Like, it's not always going to be clear that it's buying intent. Whereas if you add near me next to it, or add services near me, or add the suburb like plumber services Sydney, you know what I mean, then it's got a higher likelihood that that person is ready to take a next action or next step. Just the word plumber itself is not really a strong signal because it has so many different connotations and NLP around it, where Google will try to take the meaning of the word and being like, well, what do people mean when they say plumber, And it could mean so many different things, okay? And I would recommend to start with just high intent search themes and try to start with maybe 5 or 10 that you find on Google Keyword Planner. Remember, it's not keywords, that's totally cool, but I would use Google Keyword Planner to choose your 5 to 10 search themes so that you're using actual data that Google serves on its database. And Google uses Google Keyword Planner as a way to document a database of keywords that people actually use on Google Ads. Okay, so I would choose 5 to 10 keywords from Keyword Planner that match these kind of intent signals. So just quickly, some examples that you might find for different niches. So a dentist might have like emergency dentist near me, or teeth whitening Sydney. Those are really good search intent or search themes that you could use. Whereas weak ones might be just typing in the word dentist or dental clinic or how to, anything like that. It's weaker signals in my opinion, so I wouldn't use those. Electrician, we've got 24-hour electrician Melbourne or electrician South Yarra. So using the actual suburb or city is a really strong signal. Whereas just saying electrician or electrical company, it could mean different things. The intent is unclear. Gym near me, or Pilates classes Brisbane, or yoga classes South Bank, they're really stronger signals than just using gym or how to get fit or yoga or Pilates, which are weak signals. They're not really good in terms of NLP or LSI. E-commerce, if we're looking at buy men's running shoes or adding the actual product model, so Nike Air Max sale, it's clear that this person is looking for this particular model, then it points or pushes the algorithm in that direction instead of just saying the word shoes, which could mean so many things, like the manufacturer shoe, how much does it cost? Can I get shoes manufactured in China? What's a shoe made out of? It could point the algorithm in too many directions and too loose. So I wouldn't recommend that. And finally, cleaning services. This is a bit easier to understand. Bond cleaner near me, or lease cleaning, or professional cleaning services nearby, or stuff like that is a good signal. But if you're just saying cleaning company or clean wine stains or house cleaning, again, it's too confusing. If you think that Google relies on language models to understand the context or relationship of words and its connotations and meaning, then why not point the algorithm in the right direction where it makes sense for the algorithm to head into, commercial or money type of words? So I hope that was helpful. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. More than happy to help, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.